Hi, I'm sure you want to know more about Just Do All, yeah? So, you must know our story so you can see where we're all going, okay? So let's start. Just Do All started in 2011 with one goal in mind: to generate real online results for companies all over the world through a complete and comprehensive platform. However, this is not where our story begins. Just Do All was founded in the USA in 2008 by the Brazilian and entrepreneur Eric Salgado with two core passions: digital marketing and entrepreneurship. The company's goal was very clear back then: to transform the world through entrepreneurship using digital marketing as a tool. Back in Brazil, Eric was already bringing businesses to the digital world since 2005 through a local digital inclusion program that created over 5,000 websites for small companies. He also created a mini franchising portal, which quickly became a huge local success and launched his international career. The world-changing dreams were still there, and by 2010, with an extensive range of customers from all kinds of businesses, Eric started to notice that achieving success through the internet wasn't accessible to everyone. An exponentially growing number of competitors, spammers, and unbelievably expensive tools were making things hard for entrepreneurs to have real results online. So, what if entrepreneurs had access to a tool that could truly help them achieve online success? It would be a single smart platform that is offered at one low price and isn't complicated to set up or code. Well, that is exactly the original idea for Builderall and Just Do All. Today we are here to give you all the tools and support your business needs to grow. We know this platform is outstanding because we use it ourselves to grow our own business. That's why we know that Just Do All has the tools every entrepreneur needs to succeed and grow their business. So meet the Just Do All team and click on the links below in the description that you see. You look down, like, you know what it is. So come on in and you will see. I say Just Do All, but the real name is Builderall. So that's why when I was reading, made a mistake. Anyway, click on the links and come. This was the history of Just Do All, aka Builderall. Bye bye.